How do your clients plead?
Not guilty. Not guilty.
Not guilty.
Ms. Novak, the people request high bail, Your Honor. The defendants conspired to stalk and kidnap a 6-year-old girl.
She's my daughter.
That's not a matter for this court, Mrs. Osborne. Ms. Emmett, no more offers from your client. Yes,
Alis
sir.
dyan.
The people also request an order of protection. Granted. Should you make bail, you are not to come within 100 feet of the minor, Patricia Branson, her parents, their home, or the girl's school.
Ayan ba ang gawang
Be
nakaskas?
arrested and charged. Are we clear? $500,000 each defendant. 10-minute recess.
Ang kapal niya, no? Ang
I'm
kapal.
worried. Did you get anything out, Michelle?
Ralph first tells me
Ang
that she's
kapal.
taking Patty home.
So she is crazy.
Wala ka ibang pagbibintang na ikaw lang.
Ano yan dyan? Dahil minsan nasa babayan. Kaskas yan.
But
Hindi yan
she's
ano.
so convinced
Kaskas
Patty is
daw
her
eh. Paano
girlfriend
kaya
that
makakaskas
taking
yun?
her isn't a crime. It doesn't mean
Sira
that
ulo
Ganun
ka.
talaga.
Nakakaskas. Nakakaskas yan dyan.
Di mo ba pinakita ko sa'yo hindi nakakaskas?
Hindi yan
Dahil
nakakaskas
bukas
dito.
yung
Kung
ano?
minsan nasa ilalim yan.
Sophie told me about how Michelle
Ah?
keeps Hannah's
Nasa
room.
ilalim.
Ang dadali ng kuryente.
Most missing children's rooms become fire, frozen in time from the moment the child vanished. Michelle, updating Anna's room, tells me she's confident that Anna's coming home.
You mean Edie tries to steal another Anna to make it so?
What do we know about Michelle's past?
Sinasabi. Paano magagasgas yan? Magagasgas. O, tignan mo, wala nga nagagasgasan. O, ito, nasa lapag to.
Spencer,
Lapag na lapag. O,
where?
lapag na lapag.
Over here.
You're right. Michelle was violating the protection
Lapag na
order.
lapag.
Is that it?
Ito,
Yeah. But
yung
she wasn't
pinto.
doing that.
Bukas. Ano naman?
911.
Bukas yan. Ito, itong balat na to.
The judge warned you and you wouldn't let it out of here. Get away from me.
Nandito. Nandiyan.
She's not gonna call you anymore because
Kasi
Michelle's
ito,
going to
bakal.
jail.
Tignan mo, ang kawalangian yan.
Michelle,
Sobra.
stop now. Okay, we know everything. Anna was on the police
Umislap si
report.
Bebigaw ang nasa loob. Si
She
Maldita.
died in the car with him. No, they never found her. Michelle, they were hit by a gasoline tanker. There was nothing left.
Oh.
I'm sorry. But you know what I'm telling you is the truth. I know my